Here's how to change your country on Instagram. Now, if you have your Instagram account on your iPhone or Android and you want to update the country to a new one and have it show up on your profile right here, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So, as you saw, you're going to first just tap on your profile to get to your profile page. And after we've done that, we need a business account to be able to show up with the country and change it to whatever we want. So to do that, tap on the three lines at the top right. And after you've done that, scroll down until you get to this section that says Your Insights and Tools. And tap on Account Type and Tools under your dashboard. And then tap on Switch to Professional Account. Keep in mind when you do so, your account will be public. After you've done that, tap on the Next button here. And you can choose whatever you want, dessert shop or whatever, and you can choose to display it on your profile. This doesn't really matter. Just hit Switch to Professional Profile. However, after you've done that, this next step does matter. You need to choose that it is a business, not a creator. And then hit Next. And now you can see it auto-populates with my email and phone number. However, I'm going to tap on business address here and I can enter in whatever I want. So in the city, I'm just going to enter in Paris, France, and just hit done. Of course, you can enter in whatever country or zip code or city you want and hit done. After you've done that, let's hit the next button. And now you don't need to go through the process of connecting it or setting it up. Just hit not now and the little X. Now let's make sure it works. So you can see it says dessert shop here. And if I swipe down, it still doesn't show the country. Yours might show the country that is updated. If it doesn't, tap on edit profile here. And then just scroll down and tap on contact options right under category. And again, make sure that a location is set here. If there's not a location, just tap on it and update it here. After you've done that, tap the back arrow and tap back again. And then at the bottom, you're going to tap on Profile Display. And from here, you can see Display Contact Information. Make sure to turn this on. And when you've done that and hit the check mark, it will show you all of that contact information, including the location and a phone number or email if you have it on there. If you have multiple, it just has the little dots here or the little buttons that you can tap on. And you can see just like that, the location or country is Paris, France. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.